Hello friends, this is Sai Deepak. Today I am coming with my topic Home Automation System using Android phone over Bluetooth. In this topic, so many contents are there. Introduction, what is home automation, types of technologies, importance of home automation, components required, Arduino, Bluetooth module, why prefer Bluetooth module advantages and disadvantages, block diagram, relay, working video, benefits, advantages, disadvantages, need of home automation, applications, and finally conclusion. Introduction in this topic. Home automation is the residential extension of building automation. It is automation of the home, housework or household activity. Home automation may include centralized control, lighting of entire house, HVAC, appliances and other systems like home, weather station, digital receptionist, etc. Home automation provides improved convenience, comfort, energy efficiency and security. Now, what is home automation? Home automation system is one of the automation systems which is used for controlling home appliances automatically, sometimes remotely with the help of various control systems. The home automation systems are used for controlling the indoor and outdoor lights, heat ventilation, air conditions in the house, to lock or open doors and gates, to control electrical and electronics appliances and so on using various control systems with appropriate sensors. Home automation having so many types of technologies like DTMF based home automation, GSM based home automation using Arduino, PC controlled home automation using Arduino, Bluetooth controlled home automation, IR remote controlled home automation using Arduino, home automation project using Arduino. DTMF is dual tone multi frequency and GSM full form is global system mobile communication and PC mean personal computer controlled home automation. Importance of home automation. Importance of home automation system. Home automated is developed to make life more relaxed for people as well as easier. If a house has this setup, entrepreneurs do not have to turn a change to turn on lighting when they return. It is all automated. This is the smart technology with using Bluetooth. Now components are required in this system. Arduino, Bluetooth module HC05 with 6 pins and 1K resistor and BC547 NPN transistor, 5 volts relay and 10K resistor, microcontroller, connecting wires, 220 by 6 volts step down transformer and 1N4007 diode. Now Arduino, the 8-bit AT-MEGA328P microcontroller based Arduino UNO is based in the project to control different components like Bluetooth module and relay network. Bluetooth module. HC05 is a Bluetooth smart module targeted for low power sensors and accessories. It integrates all features required for a Bluetooth smart application. The Bluetooth module used in this project is HC05 as seen in the image below. This smart module has 4 pins for VCC, 5 volts, ground, TX and RX. This is the image of Bluetooth module 4 pin. One is RxD and TxD and ground and VCC input. Now, why prefer Bluetooth? Nowadays, so many members is used Bluetooth. It is preferable to use Bluetooth because nowadays people have their smartphones with them all the time. Since the smartphones have Bluetooth facility in them, thus it's better to use Bluetooth rather than using RF remotes or IR remotes. Using Bluetooth has many of its own advantages. It's secure, easy to use, you have all the control in your hand. No external person can mess up with this system. Using Bluetooth has many of its own disadvantages. Bluetooth communication only has range of 10 to 20 meters only. Once Bluetooth is disconnected, app also disconnected and reconnecting Bluetooth is a task. It is very difficult. Next, if you want another user to join this system, a whole lot of code and configuration is needed. It is also a difficult. In this diagram, microcontroller is receive the data from the user, then microcontroller is sending signal to relays like relay 1, 2, 3, 4, and relay 1 is operated for fan and relay 2 is bulb and relay 3 is buzzer and 4 is device. This video based on voice control home automation system. Please watch this video.
Turn off outside light.
Affirmative. Turning off outside.
Relay. A relay is an electrically operated switch. Relays are used where it is necessary to control a circuit by a low power signal. Relays protect electrical circuits from overload or faults. Benefits of home automation: results in convenience, energy efficiency, safety benefits, manage devices from a central point, save time and money, remote control of the home when you are out of town, luxury lifestyle, increases security. Advantages for home automation. The main advantages of home automation through Android mobile is that the physically challenged and disabled people and smart home, easy to use, comfortable living, power consumption is low, saves electricity, quick response is achieved. Disadvantages for home automation. Equipment and installation costs high. System crashes due to any damage in the interconnections. Human errors. Need of home automation. Saves time, saves money, self-maintenance, security, makes life easier. Applications for home automation. It is mostly suitable for handicapped and ill persons. Can be used in various rooms like seminar room, hall room, etc. Centralized control of loads in a place. Industrial automation via computer. Home entertainment. And finally, we come conclusion. Home automation is undeniable a resource which can make a home environment automated. People can control their electrical devices, those home automation devices, and set up controlling actions through mobile. In future, this product may have high potential for marketing. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe my channel and share this video.